Psoriatic arthritis Ayurvedic view by AYUR-SUDHA. The cause of every disease including immune system disorder like psoriasis and psoriatic arthritis according to Ayurveda is, ama. The metabolic toxin comes from the unripe, not properly cooked, immature and undigested food. Due to the malfunctioning or low functioning of the Agni, the first Dhatu rasa is not properly formed. Instead the An rasa undergoes fermentation or putrefaction as remained in the Amashaya. This state of rasa is called ama. The ama is formed due to faulty Jatharagni, and the causes for the faulty Jatharangi are indigestion, irregular diet habits, overeating, abstinence of food, improper panchakarma procedures and sansarjana karma, suppression of urges, mental stress, sorrow, anger, fear, worry, jealousy and lust. Ayurveda calls it, ama visha, means poison. The ama produces the similar effects like poison. In chronic ama formation it produces different types of diseases due to disturbance of vata, pitta and kapha. This is one of the major reason of immune system disorders like psoriatic arthritis. Psoriatic arthritis. Psoriatic arthritis is defined as a painful, inflammatory condition of the joints, arthritis, that usually occurs in association with psoriasis of the skin. Any joint can be affected with this pain. Small joints, large joints or the spine can get affected. Since in these cases, usually the rheumatoid factor Tet is negative, so the psoriatic arthritis is called seronegative arthritis. Some of the patients, 20 to 30%, suffering from psoriasis have some signs of psoriatic arthritis. Psoriatic arthritis is an autoimmune disease and it affects the ligaments, tendons, fascia and joints. Ayurvedic treatment for psoriasis. Ayurvedic medicines may successfully manage and treat the psoriasis and psoriatic arthritis. It is a deep-rooted disease of tissues of the body, sapta dhatus. So local application oils are not only treatment, but internal cleansing is very important part of the treatment. First of all, improves and corrects the faulty digestive system to check the ama, or toxin formation, so that the health, rasa dhatu, gets formed. Removal of the already formed toxins from the body muscles, skin, joints and from circulatory system through oral Ayurvedic medicines. Detoxification is very important for opening the strotas, so that proper nutrition may reach to them. Rasayana is health promoting and rejuvenates the whole physiology, producing resistance against disease both physically and mentally. If a person has a strong mind, even serious diseases can be faced by the physiology as minor diseases. Oral Ayurvedic herbal, herbo-mineral mixtures and gold preparations to enhance the immunity. Ayurvedic medicines which acts on internal tissue and helps in providing proper nourishment to the sapta dhatus. This gradually improves the strength of internal tissue and skeleton. We have seen clinically that the treatment is required for a long time to get good results. Patients go to the stage of remission of disease after proper treatment. Psoriatic arthritis Ayurvedic kit is derived by our team of expert qualified Ayurvedic doctors. In many cases of psoriatic arthritis, Ayurveda treatment have phenomenal results. Our Ayurvedic treatment centers are in Brampton, Canada and in India at Jalandhar city, which is visited by many patients globally. Most of the patients are interested in online medication supply. For that we suggest them to send your complete history so that our expert team can suggest you the best remedy for your health issues at the link in our website. Consult now. For more information and ordering this kit, visit our websites www.AYUR-SUDHA.com, www.worldofherbals.com. Call us at +91 98033 56060, +91 98030 39369.